Welcome to Top 3, your go-to source for breaking down the best products in tech and home appliances. Today, we're diving into the world of robotic vacuums, focusing on the iRobot Roomba 694 and two of its top competitors, the Eufy RoboVac 11S and the Shark ION Robot R76. Each of these vacuums brings something unique to the table, so we'll explore the pros and cons of each to help you decide which one suits your needs best. iRobot Roomba 694. Overview. The iRobot Roomba 694 is one of the most popular robotic vacuums on the market today. Known for its ease of use and effectiveness in cleaning, it's part of iRobot's lineup, which has built a strong reputation in the robotic vacuum industry. This model is an entry-level Roomba, but it includes many features that make it a solid choice for everyday cleaning tasks, especially for those new to robotic vacuums. Pros. 1. Smart navigation. The Roomba 694 uses iRobot's patented dirt detect sensors, which help it focus on the dirtiest areas of your home. This makes it ideal for high-traffic areas like hallways or kitchens where more dirt and debris tend to accumulate. 2. App integration and voice control. Unlike many other budget-friendly robotic vacuums, the Roomba 694 offers integration with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Through the iRobot Home app, users can schedule cleanings and control the vacuum remotely, providing greater flexibility and convenience. 3. Effective cleaning system. Roomba vacuums are well known for their powerful suction, and the 694 doesn't disappoint. Its three-stage cleaning system, sweeping, brushing, and suction, works effectively on hard floors and carpets, picking up pet hair, dust, and small debris. 4. Long-lasting battery life. The Roomba 694 offers a runtime of about 90 minutes, which is more than enough for most households. After its cleaning session, it automatically returns to its charging dock. Cons. 1. Lacks mapping technology. One of the biggest drawbacks is the absence of advanced mapping technology. While the Roomba 694 has a good navigation system, it doesn't have memory mapping, so it can't learn your home's layout over time. This results in less efficient cleaning compared to higher-end models. 2. Small dustbin. The dustbin capacity is relatively small, requiring more frequent emptying, especially if you have pets or a larger home. 3. Noisy operation. Although its suction power is excellent, the Roomba 694 can be quite loud, especially when working on carpets. This might be an issue if you're home during its cleaning cycles.